Welcome. Before we get into the video, I would just like to let you know that there are different methods of making your twist. Different methods, which includes tight twist, loose twist, beginning braids and twists all together. All of them are twists, depending on what you want your twist to be. All right. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how to make your twists last longer, how to make them neater. So I just parted the hair, and then I'm just going to show you how to start your twist to make it last longer. But this is the wrong one. This most persons just go straight into making the twist right from the roots, from the scalp, and then you'll notice that when you let go of it in a matter of few days it begins to loosen up right from the tips. But then that can also be used if you do not plan on taking your twist for a very long time. So I'm also going to show you the other way that you can make your twist to make it last longer for you. This method is used when you know that you want to take your twist for a very long time, and usually for big braids, big twists, and mini twist as well. So I just partitioned that part into three sections, and then I'm going to show you how to take it down from the roots. So you take one part and take it to the back of another, since you are doing it on yourself, and then bring the other, take it to the back again, just normal braiding pattern. And then just like that, take the middle to the back, then collect the other one, take the middle again to the back from the other side, and then you just go over it. Make sure you go over this braid for at least 3 or 4 times to make it stronger, or if you want to take it even further, no problem. So for this video I just took it 4 times, and then I divided the middle part into two and take it to both sides so that I can work with just two strands, and then I began twisting. So this method makes it last longer. So when I release both, you're going to notice that the first one we made was already loosened up already, so we can't work with that. But when you want it to last longer, you use the braiding. As you can see, it's pretty strong. It won't go down or loosen off in a matter of weeks, so we work with that. Then for this second one, we are going to show you the proper way to make your twist. So like I said before, this proper way of making twists works for different persons. So if you know you want your twist to also last longer, you can use it. If you know you don't want it, or like someone like me who doesn't like very tight braiding or twist, I can work with either one. So for this first one, I can use it when I just want to twist my hair to make it look fuller, to make it look, less tension and everything. But then it won't last long for me, like the one I'm going to do here. So without starting from the beginning, I'm just going to show you straight up how to do the twist. So you take one, take it over the other one. Make sure as you go through it, you are twisting it. You are twisting both ends, just the way I'm doing it. Then you are taking it over. This makes it last longer and to give it that nice looking twist look, without the frizz and everything. So you twist it, take it over, twist again, just like that. Make sure your hands are closely together. Don't just rush over it. No, go over it slowly as you can, and then you continue your braids. Twist and transfer, twist and transfer, twist again, then you go over it. So this method, you're going to see when I'm done with this, I'm going to see the difference between both of them. This one I'm working on now is going to look slimmer, more beautiful, and bring the proper length of your hair. So like I said, whichever you want to do, whichever you feel more comfortable with, depends on your reason for making your twist, depend on where you are going with your twist, depending on how you want to carry your hair. So whichever you want to do, you can go with. So yes, you can see this other side and this other side, you can see the difference between the two. This one is loose with the freezes and all, and can easily be affected by the environment, make your hair drier and looks more rusty. But from the other side, it's better, more smooth, shiny, and brings out the proper length of your hair and can also last you for a long time. If you find this video helpful, informative, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.